Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
It is windy, but a gorgeous night here across South Florida. 77 degrees. It feels fantastic, but we are still going to have issues tomorrow. Wind advisory has been extended at least right along the immediate coast until 8 p.m. tomorrow with wind gusts upwards of 30 miles an hour. That's going to continue to produce problems along the waters. Of course, 81 was our high temperature today, a couple of degrees below average, and we managed a little rainfall. Mostly that fell overnight. Not expecting even that for tomorrow. It's going to be a relatively dry day. These were the peak gusts from earlier this afternoon. We had 39 in Marathon and Key West as well, 35 at Homestead and Miami. The only location at the airport that didn't hit a 30-mile-an-hour wind gust. We could do that again tomorrow. We're down into the 20s, but still last hour for Lauderdale reporting 31, and that's going to be the case as well for Key West and throughout the afternoon. By tomorrow, we're going to continue to see not just the wind, but the issues along the coast. We're talking about the small craft advisory that is going to replace the gale warnings, but still going to be a process for us here, and we'll have to get through another windy day. As far as the precipitation potential here for Friday, it's a couple of passing showers. There's just not enough moisture. The wind is going to be the big story for tomorrow with isolated showers, and then on Saturday we will get a little bump up in not just moisture, but disturbance coming in from the Gulf, and those will combine to give us probably the better rain chances that we've had in a while, 30 to 40%. So not going to be a complete washout Saturday, but a lot more rain that we've been dealing with, and then we get back into dry conditions on Sunday. Sunday's the pick of the weekend, no question. Not only will it be dry and nice and warm, but the winds by then will have subsided, so conditions along the waters will be a lot more calmer here than it will be tomorrow. There's rain tracker with a couple showers coming in, and I'll fast forward this to Saturday, be able to see a lot more moisture coming in, and so the showers that develop will have the potential to produce some more rainfall here, accumulating rainfall as opposed to just a quick little drizzle that moves through. And there it is for Saturday at 3 p.m. Wouldn't be completely surprised to get a couple of claps of thunder here and there, but that would be it, and then we'll begin to wind things down for Sunday as the dry air moves in. In the tropics, we still have this area that we're watching across the western Caribbean. National Hurricane Center still has it at 20%. I'll tell you what, though, it is causing a lot of rain through Jamaica. These clusters of thunderstorms don't have to particularly organize to bring heavy rain, and that's what they'll do this weekend over towards Nicaragua. Gale warning for us tomorrow along the Atlantic waters. That's going to be superseded by a small craft advisory, so improving conditions for both Atlantic waters and into the Florida Keys as well. As we check in on the 7-day forecast, we'll start with your Friday here. The weekend has arrived, 20% rain chances. We'll bump that up a little bit on Saturday, as I mentioned, 40%, and then we get that extra hour of sleep on Saturday night.